Hello peeps, today we are going to discuss about menstrual cup. A very common thing going on these days, menstrual cup, but less known about. So many people are still ignorant, and yes, today we are going to talk about menstrual cup. Now menstrual cup is basically made up of silicone and it is very body friendly, and it is used generally in the age group from 13 to your menopause. There is a very basic question that why should we switch over to the menstrual cup instead of our sanitary napkins. The only reason being is, on an average, a lady she bleeds for around 400 to 500 times in her lifetime. एंड जब वो इतने बार ब्रीथ करती है, इमेजिन द नंबर ऑफ सैनिटरी पैड शी मस्ट बी यूजिंग. इट इज़ इन फैक्ट मोर देन 5,000 to 7,000 in her lifetime, and this is only shared by a single female. Imagine the load on the ecosystem because of this. So what this silicone cup, this menstrual cup, it does, one silicone cup, one menstrual cup, it lasts for around 5 to 10 years. Okay, and it is made up of biodegradable silicone, so it is very efficient, plus it is very useful as per your body type. Why should you be convinced to use a menstrual cup is, when you use sanitary napkins, you are prone to infections, you are prone to rashes, and these all things are not seen while using a menstrual cup. Generally, whenever you are using a menstrual cup, you are devoid of all these things. You don't have rashes, you don't have irritation, you don't have to use anything chemical inside your body or something like that, because in menstrual cup there is no chemical, there is only a silicone body. Sanitary pads, there is definitely use of chemicals. How the insertion is taken place is a next question, and many people really fear for it कि ओहो दर्द होगा, all that. No, whenever there is a insertion of a menstrual cup, yes, initially शुरू में, whenever you are starting, you are a new person introduced to a menstrual cup, you might have little anxiety towards it, और उसके वजह से you might experience some pain, or because of some friction there must be pain. But gradually, after 2 3 4 cycles, you will see that there is a very steep, very easy going of menstrual cup inside. Next point is how to insert a menstrual cup. See, menstrual cup, it has to be fitted inside the cervix. Okay, if this is a uterus and this is the cervix, it has to be inserted inside the cervix, and because of this suction there is no coming out of the menstrual cup. So how you are going to do? There are 2-3 ways, but the common way is a C way. You need to fold it in such a manner that it looks like a C, and then you can insert it. Okay, and then you can insert it. And the second way is the 7th number. Okay, you just have to do this. You just need to make a 7. It's like you just need to fold it like this, and then you can insert it. How to sterilize it? For sterilization, how you will do it? Sterilization is really very easy. Just boil the water. After boiling the water, you need to put your menstrual cup inside it. Initially it has to be soap washed, Dettol washed, and after that you can put your washed, cleaned menstrual cup in the water. Let it boil sometime off the gas, and then you can remove it, air dry it, and you can keep it in its pouch. Now generally the menstrual cup, it always comes with its pouch. You can see here with its pouch, so you can keep it safe in your pouch, and yes, next month again you can use it, as it is ready to use after sterilization. How do we remove the menstrual cup? You need to understand that menstrual cup has two parts. It has the cup and the stem. The cup, it goes inside the body and inside the vagina, basically inside your cervix, and the stem, it is peeping out. Okay, so whenever you are using a menstrual cup, to empty it, and if it is in this manner, what you will do is that you need to break the suction of the menstrual cup. So you will be just doing like this, pushing it inside, and you can see that the suction is not there, it is broken, and you can just pull it out with the help of the stem. Only don't remove the stem, it might create more friction or pain. So what you need to do, you need to put your finger and then you can break the suction of the menstrual cup. So the menstrual cup, the lifespan of a menstrual cup normally is starts from 5 years to 10 years. So one menstrual cup will last you for at least 10 years. So it is a good buy. And according to the cost effectiveness, menstrual cup, it can be used almost, for 5 years in just say 300 or 400 rupees. Some brands they give you for 400 rupees, some brands they give you for 300. It depends from brand to brand, but generally whenever you will see that one menstrual cup, it is under 500 and you can use it for a good 10 years. P Safe is a good brand which gives you a very genuine product which is really very economical along with, so you can go with a P Safe brand. It is definitely very nice. This is all about the menstrual cup. Hope I was able to acknowledge all your queries and all the issues whatever you had related to it. In case you have anything more, you can just connect me and let me know. I'll try to resolve all your queries. By that time, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones.